To add Trust Wallet Face ID login, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your device. Ensure you have the latest version of the app to avoid any compatibility issues. Navigate to the Settings section, usually represented by a gear icon or 3 horizontal lines, depending on your device and app version. In the Settings section, look for the Security options and select it. This is where you can manage various security features, including biometric login. Scroll down to the biometric authentication section and select Face ID. You will be prompted to allow Trust Wallet to use Face ID. Tap Yes to proceed. You will then be asked to scan your face to set up Face ID. Look at the camera and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the scan. This process may take a few seconds, and you will see a progress bar on the screen. Once the scan is complete, you will be prompted to create a password or PIN as a backup login method. Enter a strong and unique password or PIN, and confirm it by re-entering it in the next field. This will ensure that your account is secure, even if your Face ID is not recognized. You can now use Face ID to log in to your Trust Wallet app. Simply look at the camera, and the app will recognize your face and grant access to your account. It is essential to note that Face ID login is only available on devices that support this feature, such as iPhones with Face ID capabilities. Additionally, make sure to keep your device and app up to date to ensure the latest security patches and features. By following these steps, you can add an extra layer of security and convenience to your Trust Wallet app using Face ID login.